Hi guys, today we're gonna go over some tips for the swan and swan dive on the grots. And then when you're here, think of yourself as you're in a push-up. So arms are strong, your lower back is lengthened, and send some energy out into the legs behind you. And we'll go ahead and we'll do the pumping here. So bend your elbows and don't disrupt your push-up position. And then press the pedal down. And again, go ahead and bend and press. And there's all kinds of variations of different pumping, but I'm more interested in getting into the swan itself. When you're here, the other thing that I like to point out for a lot of people is that your hip bones are right at the edge of the chair. They kind of hook at the edge of the chair to help prevent you from falling. But the other thing that's also working tremendously are your upper arms and your back to hold you in place.